Hi everyone, this is Stock Signals Philippines teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently. This is our top gainer and top loser analysis for October 4, 2017. Our top gainer for the day is LMG, up 8.70%, while our top loser is Anchorland, down 9.39%. LMG actually is not a good company fundamentally. Losses are still being incurred for the first half. 491,000 because the company doesn't have any revenues. Actually, there was a disclosure days ago because there was an offer before to, or tender offer rather, by a foreign or an external company to buy LMG. This one, but it was terminated. The tender offer was not successful. This one. So 66 million shares at 2.97, but obviously no one sold at those levels. It was CIC who owned the shares, or who owned the LMG shares, and it's Newman Holdings which was the buyer. So this did not materialize, and LMG will stay listed. Okay, so let's look at the chart of LMG. LMG appears to be bullish. A higher low has been marked at around 4.31. Uh, your moving averages are all pointing upwards. 15 EMA and 20 SMA are acting as support. MACD still appears bullish. RSI is also bullish but not yet in overbought territory. Support is estimated at 4.40, 4.41, while resistance is at 5, and if this will continue moving higher, let's just use the high so that we can have a higher high. It's gonna have resistance at 5.21, but if it can go through, it can have a shot at 6.22 if it does break out. Okay, this actually looks good because if it hits 6.22, next target will be around 7.50 already. It's actually nice. Uh, our top loser is Alhi. Alhi is actually doing well. In revenues has increased by around 700 million for the first half of 2017. It has reached a net income of around 318 million, so this is actually a rise of around 60, around 25% or around 20 plus percent. Growth in net income, EPS is at 0.29, which will lead to an estimated full year EPS of 0.58 with a price of 8.97. Stock is trading at 15.46 times PE, making it undervalued versus the index. Book value is at 6.01, so with a price of 8.97, it's trading at around 1.5 times P2BV, making it overvalued P2BV wise. Let's check the charts. Well, in my opinion, this looks bullish. It has made a higher high. The breakout point was at 7.03. Multiple resistance has been breached. It's gonna be this one. Yeah. So 8.02, 8.05, 8.60 rather. Your moving averages are bullishly aligned with the 15 EMA and 20 SMA possibly acting as support. MACD, however, seems poised for a bearish crossover. Nonetheless, it's still bullish. RSI is kinda bearish right now. It's currently at neutral levels. Support is at 8.60, followed by 8.00, while resistance is at 10.75. Volume still supports a bullish outlook. So, my opinion, this still looks like it has some potential to it if it starts turning already. Wait, I don't understand. Wait, I don't understand why it's red. Previous was 9.9, open is 862. Ah, yeah, it closed higher actually, but lower than the previous day. So that's why it's colored green. But the volume is red, but anyhow, uh, it's still bullish nonetheless. Alright, so that was your top gainer and top loser analysis for October 4, 2017. This is Stock Signals Philippines, reaching out to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently.